And here we are entering another safari park, in which we'll try to locate the brown racer rabbit, in which Nala shall test her mettle and determine who is faster. Sees a racer robin, but the racer robin is gone. Close call. Good Nala. And Nala just ignored the Barker dog. What a wonderful dog. She's so well tempered compared to that Barker dog. That Barker dog was awful big. Hello. Trying to find the elusive brown racer rabbit. Oh, but I was kind of surprised. Didn't see that dog, and all of a sudden, boom, the dog's there. So that will be called the brown surprise dog. Hello. Even though we unfortunately did not test our mettle against the brown racer rabbit, we did see a racer robin, we did see a Barker dog, we did see a brown surprise dog, and we did drive by the house of the multi-million-dollar Hope Ruby dog. So all in all, it's been a wonderful day. Nell's had a surprise visit from Gimli. What a wonderful time. Good dogs.